Hi, this is another episode of my study vlogs. If you happen to visit my videos, please subscribe, share, and like so you can join me in a fun study time. If you are a homeschooler, then these study vlogs are made for you. So you might wonder, why do I choose homeschool? That's because I like to react to what I'm reading. I am free to think and express my feelings to a topic. And most of all, I can eat while studying. Laugh hardly out loud because there are no teachers. Shall we start? Today's topic is dun dun dun. Matter! Pada! Okay, let's go! We have reached our destination. Chapter 2, Matter. In this chapter, you will learn to describe matter and its phases. You will also know the uses and properties of matter. You will learn about the proper ways of handling different materials. States of matter, lesson 3. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to identify the 3 states of matter. Describe solids, liquids, and gases. List down some examples of solids, liquids, and gases, and define mass, weight, and volume. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass, like volcano, rock, gold, these elements. Mass is the amount of material in an object. Gravity is the force that an object exerts. Okay, put in on another object. Like for example, when you try to jump and then gravity pulls you down. Weight is the pull of gravity on another object. Weight tells how heavy or light an object is. Volume is the space that an object occupies. The 3 states of matter. Matter can be in the form of solid, liquids, and gases. These are called the forms, phases, or states of matter. Solid. A solid material always has a definite shape. The shape can be regular or irregular. Some solid materials with regular shapes are round plates, cylinder cans, square table, and rectangular frames. Some materials with irregular shapes are chair, trees, sandals, and dresses. Liquid. A liquid does not have a definite shape. It only follows the shape of its container. A liquid material is composed of tiny particles that move freely. Liquid materials can be poured from one container to another. Gas. Most gases cannot be seen nor taste. You can only feel them. You can also smell some of them. Air is gas. Examples of gases are oxygen and air.
That's it?
Yes.
Okay. Go back to the objective page.
Okay. We should be able to explain.
Okay, what's the first
Okay.
one?
Identify the 3 states of matter.
Okay, what are the 3 states without looking? Okay.
Solids, liquids, and gases, or liquids, solids, and gases, or gases, liquids, and solids.
Okay.
Next, describe solids,
Okay.
liquids, and gases.
Solids first. What are solids?
They're things that can have an irregular shape or a regular shape. Like, for example, the table. It's a rectangle. That means it's a regular shape. This is like a cylinder almost, with a hole. This is a glass, so it's solid.
It's solid.
Yes.
So what do solids have in common?
They're all hard.
Yes.
They can even,
So they have a shape.
yeah.
Okay. next one. What are liquids?
Liquids are things like this water that can move around, like in here.
Okay.
They can also be moved and have particles.
What do they have in common?
They are all wet.
Okay.
They are all easy to put in your hand through.
penetrate.
Yes.
Okay.
Unless
and-
it's lava. Others are kind of liquid, right?
So what's their shape?
Anything. There's no shape. They can only be no shaped.
How does it get its shape then? When you put it in a, for example, you put it in a circle container.
That means it will just stay the same as it is. It'll look like it's half.
So
But
it-
if you put it like this, it looks like it just stays on the same shape.
Okay, so get that glass. So it has a shape. The water has shape there in that glass. It's shaped like the glass.
Yes.
So
But
so
it's little.
where does the liquids get its shape?
From atoms, molecules.
Okay. So they
Takes all the space from how much space they can steal.
yeah, so the shape depends on where you put it, right?
Okay, yeah.
Okay. So describe gas.
There's things that you're already breathing right now when you're watching this video on our bed. And that when we pump, okay, so for example, I'm putting air when I'm flapping. Can you feel it?
Okay,
No,
so
you can't.
in
Okay,
gas,
Try it. Try this.
okay.
And it really feels gassy.
Yeah, gassy. Okay.
For example, gasoline too. It smells gassy. Oh wait, that's
But
that's a liquid.
is gasoline a gas?
I don't think so. I mean, like the fusion makes it gassy.
So the smell is
Yeah,
gas.
but we can smell some of them, but not all of them.
You can smell it, but is it gas?
You can smell food. Air particles.
Yes.
When food is hot, it contains CO2.
Okay.
Okay, it's vaporized.
So how does gas molecules look like?
for most people, spheres.
What? No. What does gas molecules look like? Are they near each other? Are they kind of apart? Or are they just like social distancing?
Social distancing. For solids, that's very close. For liquids, a little bit apart. But for gases, way out.
Okay, so that's how they look like.
Yes.
Okay. Next, number 3. List down some examples of solids. Okay, solids. Examples of solids.
Mouse.
Mouse. Okay, what else? At least 5.
This.
Your face?
A bone. Tennis ball.
Tennis ball. Last one.
The wristwatch.
Okay.
There's a lot of solids.
Okay. Next, liquids. Examples. 5 examples.
Water.
Water. What else?
Plasma.
What?
Plasma.
That's a different kind of
Okay.
matter.
Okay, fine. Liquids like water.
Water.
All I can say is another water.
Water. What else?
Oh.
What else?
Oh, liquid nitrogen.
No.
All I can think of is water.
How about juice?
What? That isn't even a liquid. They put fruits need water to produce juice. Okay, fine, juice. Second.
The water content in
Vitamin D liquid. And
vitamins. What else?
saliva.
Saliva. What else?
Goo. It's made of water, right?
It's made of goo.
Four. Okay, now the 5th one is
But yes, it is kind of liquid. So I think that passes. Okay.
okay.
Next one. Last one. 5 examples of gases. Okay. 1.
Oxygen.
Oxygen.
Gasoline. Fusion. Oxygen. Oxygen. Gas.
What kind of gas?
Oxygen.
That's
Okay.
it?
Nitrogen. Carbon dioxide kind of air.
Okay.
At least I think that's
Gas,
air.
not air. Gas.
Yes, it's a gas. There's a lot of gases in the periodic table, like carbon
Okay,
dioxide.
what's
Okay, so
next?
we have two. Steam.
Steam. Okay.
And wait, that's only three. I need two more.
Steam.
Hmm.
What else?
Dry ice. No, no.
Give up.
No. Never gives up. A scientist never gives up.
Come on.
Okay, I'm still thinking. Give up.
Okay, then let's move on.
Yeah, let's give up. Okay, fourth, define mass, weight, and volume.
Okay, what is mass?
It takes up space of something.
Okay,
No.
what is mass?
Its mass is something that takes up space, and that, I mean, like, mass has, when matter has mass, something has mass, like this cup, again, the radius is circle.
What?
Let's say it's 45 degrees a circle. No, a whole 360.
We're talking about mass, not measurement.
Okay, fine. Mass is something that occupies a space.
Okay. Next, weight. What is weight?
A weight is something.
Some-
A weight is what you're made of. Is what you weigh.
What you weigh? So how heavy or
How heavy or how light you are.
what makes weight?
How much volume you have.
No, I mean, what makes weight? If we're on space, we don't have weight. We
Yeah.
have mass, but we don't have weight.
It's all about gravity.
Okay. So,
There's no gravity in space, so you'll just float in there.
yeah.
Nowhere.
So what's very important in weight?
Yeah.
What? No, gravity.
Yes. But
Okay, what if you went to the moon? Is there higher gravity or lower gravity?
there's the lowest gravity.
Okay, so
But if it's in series, you'll just jump 5,500 feet.
okay, so are you lighter in the moon or heavier?
I'll just float.
Okay.
But if you don't have anything to just step on, you're just like floating. You don't even weigh anything. You're like,
Yeah. And
you're like,
okay.
I'm trying to move, but I can't move. You're like, I can't move to one place to another. I'm just
Yeah.
doing
Yeah,
it.
Okay, next one. Volume. Define volume.
You mean the last one?
Yes, what is volume?
It's the thing that you have inside of you.
What?
The more mass you have inside of you, the more volume it takes you. Have you? I mean, like, bigger is heavier, right?
No, okay, how about this? I'll give you a really, really, really big balloon. And then I give you half the size of the balloon and it's a rock. The balloon is bigger, but which is heavier?
A lot.
The rock. So bigger doesn't always mean
It's not.
heavier.
Yes, but the more mass you have, depends.
Yes, the
Since
more
a
mass.
gas, it depends on which kind of air. If it's oxygen, it will sink to the bottom. If it's okay, which kind of air? Helium or oxygen?
I thought we were talking about solids.
Come on, I thought you were talking about gas. Wait, no. At least all of those
Okay.
simple phrases.
Oh, we're okay, yeah, volume. So what is volume?
It's the amount of something in you.
Yes.
Like, if you had more bones than any other animal, you'll just die from a skyscraper drop.
Okay, so how about this? Take that glass.
Drop it. Okay, I don't want to break something precious.
How many volume is the water there?
Very much. Well, wait.
So
So if I just drop it like,
no,
Yeah.
don't drop it.
we need a better example. The pencil. Okay, let's start with the pencil. Then that's how much we found. Okay, just okay. What again? Okay, for example, this glass. It has a volume. This is a lot of this volume,
Yes. So that's how much volume it has.
and
It's,
it becomes heavy.
it's about 1/3 of the cup. Less than 1/3 of the cup.
This is 1/3, right? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Less than 1/3 of the cup. So the volume is less than 1/3 of the glass. Not
Yes.
Okay.
But if you drop it, that'll be a different story.
It'll be all over the floor, but the water still has the same volume.
Yeah.
Except when it evaporates.
I mean, like, I don't know how much pounds this water is. I don't know how many kilograms this water weighs. Or millimeters. Or nanometers.
Millimeters?
I mean nanometers.
Nanometers?
I mean nanometers.
That's for measuring distance. Distance. That was almost okay. Put that away.
That was almost what?
Okay. So that's it for this lesson.
So that's it for this lesson, and bye, and that we move on the wrong things. Okay, bye. Like and subscribe and share. Bye. See you next time.